Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, but it is our attitude and actions that shape our destiny. The key to improving life lies in having a positive mindset, taking consistent actions, and never giving up. Start by setting clear goals for yourself, whether personal or professional. Break down those goals into smaller, actionable steps and commit to them every day. Discipline is crucial. It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and inspire you. Cut off toxic relationships and focus on those who believe in your potential. Don't be afraid of failure. Instead, learn from it. Every failure is an opportunity to grow, adapt, and become stronger. Invest in yourself by reading, learning new skills, and maintaining your physical and mental health. Stay organized and prioritize your time wisely. Time is the one thing you can never get back. Cultivate gratitude daily. Take time to appreciate the small moments and the progress you've made. Practice kindness and empathy towards others. The energy you put out into the world often returns to you. Remember that success is not immediate. It's a result of consistent effort, resilience, and patience. Keep pushing forward even on tough days. Life is not about perfection, but about progress. Focus on the process. Enjoy the journey and never lose sight of your purpose. Whether it's through challenges or celebrations, every day is an opportunity to improve yourself and move closer to the life you've always dreamed of.